Hi guys, reading images can be a challenging task for us in our daily life. In this video, I'm going to show you a mobile application that will help you to identify the text from any documents. To learn more, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, you need to download one application from Google Play Store. The app name is Bindu. Link is available in the video description box as well as on our official Telegram channel. After downloading this app, you just need to sign in using your Google account. Then you will see these options.
Get started.
Get started.
Settings.
Settings and
About.
So if you learn more about this application, then click on About.
Settings.
In settings, you can set the text to speech and some other settings. Due to some copyright issues, I will not turn on my media volume, so that's why you will not be able to listen any music or sound.
Get started.
So just click on Get Started.
Services.
You will reach to the Services tab. Now here you will get multiple services. Now let's see one by one. I am swiping from left to right.
Services. Heading.
Services.
Button.
This is for your profile.
Picture description.
First is picture description. Let's see.
Picture description. Heading. Capture image.
Just click on capture image and wait for a while.
Result display. Result
This is the
display.
result.
A row of potted plants.
A row
A row of potted plants.
of potted plants. Yes, it's correct.
Play.
So it is a play button. If you click here, you can listen the text, but due to some copyright issues, I am not doing this right now. So in every service, you will get the same option. I will not repeat every time.
Pause.
Pause
Replay.
and replay.
Copy.
Copy. You can copy the text and share with,
Share.
and you can directly share from here. So this is how
Picture
picture
description.
description works. Next is
Services. Button. Text detection.
text detection. I have one book, Quick Hill Guidebook. Let's see.
Text. Capture image.
So I'm swiping from left to right. Now I'm clicking on capture image. Wait a while.
Result display. Result
See?
display. Replay. Pause.
Somehow it is not reading. Let's read.
Media volume control shown. Swipe up to dismiss. Bindu.
Your chapter during an installation. However, to remove, move list or blacklist enact by default. Registration, reactivation and renewal. Installation without saving the repository. Clear the required year. Should register your product immediately after
Replay.
installing
Copy. Pause.
Post your register the product.
Play.
It
Pause.
will be considered as a tree.
Volume control
Registration, reactivation.
So this is how the text detection works.
Services. Bindu. Picture description. Text detection.
Now next is people detection.
People detection. Capture image.
So similarly, I'm clicking on capture image. Let's wait for a while.
Result display.
See,
Result display. Total faces detected. 0.
total faces detected 0. So sometimes it can detect faces, sometimes it can't detect faces. Now I'm going to back and I'll show you the next feature of this application.
People detection. Services. But picture text. People detection. Currency detection.
The next service is currency detection.
People currency Currency.
swiping right.
Capture image.
I'm capturing the image.
Result display.
Let's see.
Result display. 100 rupee note.
So it says 100 rupee note, but it is a 50 rupees note. So sometimes currency detection is not working properly. As this is a new application, so maybe sometimes it's not work properly. And the second thing is you need to capture the image, which takes a longer time. So this is why it is not so useful feature.
Currency detection. Heading.
After that you will
Services.
get
People. Currency. QR barcode
QR
scanning.
or barcode scanning, which I have not tested yet. So you can try and you can let us know into the comment section.
Magnifier.
Then magnifier, which is used to magnify any text, anything. It is especially useful for low visions.
Emergency calling.
Emergency calling. So you need to go to profile, the buttons which I have already shown you, and there you need to add the emergency number, and you can automatically dial that number.
Location sharing.
So you can share the location. For that you need to give the permission to use location.
Speech to text.
Then speech to text, you can tell whatever you want to write, and then you can easily copy and share and whatever you want to with your text. So these are the few features of this application. If you like this application, you can download and you can use this. This is a beta application just released hopefully, and you can also give the feedback. To watch more videos like this, subscribe Accessible Computing. If you find this content useful, like this video and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.